We are Team ACRV from the Australian Centre for Robotic Vision, a research centre focused on vision and machine learning for robotics. Our laboratory is based at Monash University. However, the centre also includes laboratories at Queensland University of Technology, the Adelaide University, and the Australian National University. Additionally, we have several partner research organisations, including the University of Oxford and Georgia Tech. Our group consists primarily of PhD candidates, as well as one postdoctoral research fellow. Our research explores problems involving reinforcement learning, deep learning, SLAM, sim-to-real, uncertainty estimation, architecture optimization, and real-time vision systems. Many of these research areas will likely be involved in the development of a successful AI drone system. While all of us do research in computer vision, we have a lot of experience with different algorithms and approaches within the field. Most of the newest students have worked extensively with deep learning systems, as this has seen a recent surge in popularity. The later year students and research fellow have exposure to more classical techniques, including geometry-based computer vision, as well as several classical machine learning approaches, such as decision trees and SVMs. We see this diverse knowledge as a strength for our group, since deep learning isn't yet well established, and many of its weaknesses are addressed by such techniques. In addition to the members of our team, one professor and one research fellow are actively involved as mentors. We have access to the experience and resources of Monash University, as well as world leaders in robotics, computer vision, and machine learning researchers at our partner laboratories at the Australian Centre of Robotic Vision. Researchers from our centre won the Amazon Picking Challenge in 2017. Our laboratory is equipped with a large amount of resources that support our entry into the competition. This includes a GPU server for training models, as well as several NVIDIA Jetson modules, including an Xavier for testing. Although we have not competed in any competitions of this scale before, our group members work together on a daily basis on a wide range of research projects. This teamwork has resulted in publications in top computer vision and robotic vision conferences, including CVPR and ACRV, as well as the development of state-of-the-art approaches to problems such as image classification and segmentation, depth prediction, pose estimation, SLAM, and real-time neural network inference. Beyond research outputs, our daily teamwork has led to an understanding of each other's research strengths, a positive research culture, and friendships.